Comar decided to use an existing facility for scale of economy because the ability to leverage an existing infrastructure that they can come in and rapidly build their facility in a short amount of time to get up to manufacturing scale as quick as possible is really the driving force around that. So Whiting Turner is the general contractor, and from there they were the ones that selected under Comar's interviews and authorization to bring on FSG as the electrical subcontractor. FSG is doing the electrical build-out for the entire facility. The power requirements for a lot of the facility, infrastructure, equipment, machines and processes.
This is a manufacturing production-based project where we have 5 main switch gears and 12 distribution panels and a dozen lighting panel boards. So when we started this project, this was a clean warehouse. Whiting Turner had to redo the foundation for all the equipments going in. And as far as electrical, we had to do all electrical underground, which is basically feeders for all the machines. And it seems like, even though this was an existing building, it seemed like a new ground-up project just for that reason. So we made use of FSG's BIM team in Texas to model our electrical work. We coordinated with Whiting Turner's BIM team, and we basically modeled every single conduits more than 1 inch on the BIM model, which includes gears, even underground. One big thing I would say that helped out is when you incorporate other trades as well on the BIM model, it's a lot of stuff which you don't see as electricians. You might see just straight paths, but when you integrate other trades, there's a lot of stuff going on. Since we've been using BIM, many of the problems have been resolved much before it's a problem. So we really made use of that model to forecast and foresee what's going on.
In terms of issues with regards to projects, it's inevitable. You're always going to have road bumps, and FSG has been very good at helping maneuver and overcoming some of these obstacles and being able to see to a timely and successful completion.
So Whiting Turner, they have been really good in coordinating, and we had a weekly pull plan meeting with sticky notes, and we plan out with other trades, other foremen, other PMs, and just figure out the job on a weekly basis, look ahead for the next 2-3 months.
Overall, FSG as an electrical subcontractor has provided unparalleled service. They've been very nimble, agile, and meeting expectations, and wherever there's issues, they were able to help us overcome it very quickly, and FSG has been great.